What's up guys, Elite Hockey here. Today I have a very special video planned. I'm going to be unboxing this package. This is the EasyGoal foldable hockey net that has the backstop and the targets. And I'm super excited about it, so let's just get right into it. This is the box that it was shipped in, and I'll get right back to you guys once it is all opened up. This is opened up and these are the parts basically all wrapped up, so I'm just going to have to start unwrapping them, and let's just start the time lapse. We have all of the parts out of their packaging. The only thing left to do before the build is we have to get this out of the way. So move this all the way. Now that we have that net out of the way, let's get right into the build laps. So the progress right now, I have the full net structure put together. I'm just gonna start throwing on the net and tying the net down to these little hoops that we have right here. As you can see, it's getting later and it's getting dark, so I'm gonna have to use my flash. So let's just get back into the time lapse. Right now I'm just about halfway done with it, but I came up and I got to this corner in the lacing, and this corner part of the net should be all the way over here, and I messed up somehow in the lacing all the way down there, and there's like a knot or something that I need to come back through and just take the lacing out all the way down to the middle post and redo this whole thing. So I think it's getting really late, so I think I'll come back tomorrow and finish this netting up for you guys and start on the backstop and the targets. And so I'll just check back with you guys in the morning. So it's the next morning, and I'm going to start unlacing all of the bottom part of the net and relacing it through and trying to get the net to stretch all the way to that corner. So I'll just start on that right now. Alright guys, so right now the whole bottom is unlaced, and I'm just gonna start lacing it back up. So guys, I just realized that my camera fell and stopped recording when I was about right here on this corner right here. But basically what I ended up doing is I ended up getting all the way up here. I laced all of this, so all I have to do now is just finish lacing these, and then I'll start on the backstop and the targets. So I'll just start the time lapse right now. got the first backstop netting on, and I'll just get back to you guys when I get the second one on. Alright guys, so I finally finished putting together my net. It's so cool, I'm so excited about it. Again, it has the backstop and the target, as well as a folding net. It's a super heavy duty net, steel posts, yeah, regulation size. The netting is super strong material. I've already taken a couple shots on it, and I'm super excited about it. So let's just get right into some shooting clips. So much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Once again, I would highly recommend this net. It's pretty cool. I love it a lot, and I'm looking forward to a lot more videos using this net and these awesome targets. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.